Hi, doing this late. I just got off the AI Advantage Summit Dean and Tony have been putting on. Just out here doing a Sunday morning walk. A little late, but still getting a video out, regular videos. And had me thinking about a few things about AI usage. And one, I'm able to realize and recognize patterns. I've lived through 5. Go back and do this for yourself too. I lived through 5 myself of what you would call black swan moments. Born in 84, 87 Black Monday. I'm not remembering the dates off the top of my head right now, but you can go look that up. I have no doubt. The next one was the 97, 98 financial .com crisis, when the internet was coming to take over the world. Remember that? And then a lot of us remember where we were on September 11, 2001. Then 2008, 2009, I was just exiting college and getting into my first career role as a freelancer video editor. And then yes, 2020, COVID pandemic. And there's a couple of other things that came to mind too about, like, I'm able to, some other things I'm recognizing that there are levels of AI usage. Level 1 is the answer phase. Level 2 is the thinking partner phase. And level 3 is the agentic phase. And I'm glad to say I've been dabbling in the level 3 agentic phase. Need to get a little bit more into it now. I've been running a few updates and it's been running each morning, which sending me updates on job alerts and everything. And then one more thing I have found and recognized, see if I can recall here quickly. I'll make this a short video, but a video nonetheless. About AI cloning. People are afraid to go with the cloning yourself using an AI model. They're afraid of, well, if it knows me, will it really need me? It's gonna take over the world kind of thing. But in reality, the AI will replace you with someone who's used it and knows AI. It won't replace you. It will replace you because it won't replace you just because it will replace you because you haven't been using AI. There'll be different types of jobs. And close with that. And I'd say lean into it. It's fun. And there's ways you can go to protect your data, protect yourself as well. There's some apps are better than others. And I will end with that. Like, I would say lean into it. Make it a very positive experience. And thank you for watching and listening. Share, subscribe, comment if you're liking anything that I'm saying, what I'm doing. And yeah, I thought I'd do this video. I'll see you in the next video.